Hey everybody, Dr. Atkin here with Family Focused Chiropractic, and I am so excited to show you our brand new office. As many of you know, we just moved into the Town Hall Commons in downtown Holly Springs, and this is a brand new beautiful office, and I can't wait to show it off. So let's check it out. Now, as many of you know, we are a very family-focused practice here. We see kids, we see moms, dads, adults, children, grandchildren. We cannot wait to take care of you and your family. Right down here, one of the first rooms you'll run into is our consultation room, and this is where we'll be able to sit down and take a look at, talk about your health concerns, your health problems, and what we can do to help you. Right across the way here, I'm super excited to announce that we have a brand new x-ray room. All digital, so that we're not just guessing with what your spine and nervous system looks like. We can see it and measure it and really work on some of those postural issues that cause so much pain and discomfort. So come on over here, let's take a look at the adjusting areas. Now, with all these beautiful windows, we had to keep this wide open. The adjusting rooms that we have here really focus on very gentle and specific techniques that we can adapt and tailor to kids and to infants, to pregnant moms, to families. So these are our two adjusting rooms. Before your adjustment, you'll warm up on these warm-up chairs right out here. Now we've also got a balcony, and this balcony opens up right onto Main Street, which is absolutely beautiful. So you'll be able to come here and enjoy the view, and you're more than welcome to come on over here and hang out. Now, I've got a master's degree in herbology, so we certainly will have some herbs and be able to discuss natural remedies while we're here as well too. So we'll have a good selection for you to be able to pop on by and take care of all your vitamins and nutritional needs. Now, we've also got our brand new roller massage tables. These are good for rehydrating your discs, warming up your muscles in your spine prior to the adjustment. Feels wonderful, so you'll get your 5 minutes of bliss right on over here. After the adjustment, of course, we want to strengthen the surrounding muscles and ligaments. So there's a system of posture weights that you'll be using on a vibration plate so that we can really bring about a long-term result, which is exactly what we're known for here. Beautiful reception and waiting area right here. Now, for you parents, I know you'll be especially excited to see our kids' playroom, because as you know, while you're getting your adjustment, your treatment, you're going to want something for the kids to do. And so we've got a fun little chalk wall in here, a little kitchen for the kids and some race cars. We'll be adding some additional things as we go, but a fun little kids area as well. Now, we've also got a new alkaline ionized water filtration system here, the best type of water that you can possibly be drinking. So prior to your adjustment, you'll be able to get some water. And then down the hall, we've also got two beautiful massage rooms. Eddie Summers from Body Restoration is our massage therapist, along with a couple of other therapists that we have with him. We've also got Lean Body Solutions, which uses body contouring and laser services to help people with weight loss. And so we're excited to have them on board as well too. So swing on by, say hi to us. Always welcome to come in for a tour of our new office here, and we can't wait to see you soon.